Do you want to make your desktop from this old look into this clean and professional? Well, this is the right video for you. So for this video, I will show you how to make your desktop look clean and professional in just 8 minutes. So the first thing that you're going to do is download a lively wallpaper from this rugsdanister.com. And then right here, you need to scroll down until you find this installer button. So you just click this installer and it will start to install this application right here at the bottom left corner of your screen. But if you see this error right here saying failed, needs authorization, so you need to download this or install this on the other way. So you can click this get it from Microsoft. Now when you click this one, you will automatically go to Microsoft Store and it will automatically install this application. So once you've done, click on open, then you just wait until it loads right here as you see on this logo, and you will find this lively wallpaper on your desktop. So you just click this rain or rainy window with customization. So when you click this one, it will automatically change it in your wallpaper, lively wallpaper, as you can see right here. Now, if you want to change that picture or that image, all you need to do is click that three dots and customize, and it will show you up all the settings right here. You can select, for example, you want to see these city lights right here on your desktop, or for this video or for this sample, I just want to choose this picture right here from this unplush.com. Now to download this one, just click this download free right there at the top right, and it will show at the bottom left corner of your screen that it was downloaded. Now you just find the wallpaper right here and you just wait, and you will find the result right here. It will change it, this wallpaper. As you can see, it was a beautiful rainy wallpaper here on your desktop. Now we just need to add some features right here. For example, this website right here, which is the deviantart.com Jeffrey Creations. So you will find a free Windows 11 Cursors Concept Free version 2.2. But you need to log in first or sign up with this account right here. So once you sign up, so for example, you log in your email or sign up with your email. So as you can see right here, I was logged in. You just click this free download right here at the bottom. Now once you click that download, it will automatically download right here at the bottom left corner of your screen. As you can see, the Windows 11 cursor.zip. And once you've done, you can now click that folder or that arrow and go to show in folder. Now once you find the folder, right click then, and it will show up these options right here. So all you need to do is just click this extract all, so it will extract all the files in this particular folder. So just select the file destination and click that extract and wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, it was extracted now on this folder. Now here you need to choose either you want a dark or light, but for this I want to use this light right here, or click this light file right here, and then click on the cursor and need to find that install option. Once you find that one, you can now right click and then you'll find that install button there. So just click that one until you find this option. So once you install, you can now edit that or set up this one. Change this into that cursor that you download, then click on apply, click on yes, and click on OK. So finally, your mouse cursor has been changed right now. Now the next thing that you're going to do is just change your taskbar right here. So this is the old taskbar. So what you're going to do to change this one is to go right here, github.com/arisa/roundedcb. Here on this pages, you find this releases right here at the right part of your screen. This was the latest release version. So just click this one and you will find the next page, right? This, so that this update has more features than it should have updates. So just scroll down until the bottom of that, you will find that round CB the 3.1 zip, so just click this one. So this is the latest version of this file, and you just have to install this one or download this on your computer. Now once you download it, so just go ahead in that folder and then click this arrow and click this show in folder. So just find that folder right here. So once you find that folder, all you need to do is just right click the zip folder, rounded TB, and just click this one, right click, then click this extract all. Once you click that extract all button, you will find the select destination. So just extract and wait for a few seconds until extracted here on these files. So here, just find that folder right here. So if you find that, just go ahead and tap that rounded TB. If you don't look that exe file, just click on view, click on show, then click on this file name extensions to find that exe file. So as you can see, it shows up, and then all you need to do is that double click this one, and then you will find this option. Now to set up your taskbar, you need to choose these settings right here, and then finally you will see your taskbar like this one. So it has now a different display for you. Now you just need some virtual skin right here. Just go on virtualskin.com to add just like these features. So go ahead on Google Chrome and need to go to that website, virtualskins.com, and then here on Mod Rain Meter, just set up to 24 hours clock, and the text color you need to change this one from white color to dark color. So click on OK and you will find this setup right here. And then you just only unload skin right here, all the things that you don't want to see on your desktop. You just delete that one. Then if you want to edit this design right here, so all you need to do is just right click, then click this edit skin, and here you just have to find the skin that you want to remove on this desktop. So if you want to remove all the things right here, just want to stay that display or the date display, so you just delete all that one. So and then here on scale, just change it to 2.00. And then once you've done editing your skin right here on Rain Meter, you just go ahead and click this file, then click on save. And finally, you will see your desktop like this, a clean and professional look on your desktop. So when you add some look or clean look or professional look on your desktop, we just go ahead right here on this Monterey Rain Meter. And then right here, you need to find the latest release version. So go ahead on the right side of your screen and find that release. And here, just download this version right here and just put it on your desktop. So once you've done, you can now double click that and set up that feature on your desktop. So as you can see right here, you can put the clock, calendar, or the notes right here and change it. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.